Okay, so for question 1, we're going to start with 4/8 of 64, and as you hopefully remember from previous video if you've watched it, we're going to take the denominator and draw the number of parts. So there's the whole, and I'm going to split it into the correct number of parts, which is 8. And I know that this is 1/8, and I know that this would be 4/8. Now I've spotted that 4/8 is equal to a half, so effectively what I'm doing is I'm halving 64. So I'm going to predict that it will equal half of 4 is 2, half of 6 is 60 is 30, so I'm going to go for 32, but I am just going to calculate this just to check. So 4/8 of 64. So first of all I'm going to take 64 and divide it by 8. Now I know that 8 times 8 is 64, so 64 divided by 8 will give me 8, which means that each one of these is equal to 8. Okay, so now I need to calculate what 4/8 will be. So 4/8 will be 8 times by the 4 from here, look, and that will give me 32. So in fact I was correct. So 1/8 equaled 8. Okay, so on to question 2. Okay, so this time we're looking for calculating 1/4 of 24, and you can see the same thing as before. So we've got this, which tells me how many parts, so I need 4, so that's the whole, and those are the parts. I know that the whole is worth 24, and I am calculating what 1/4 will be. So 24 divided by 4 equals 6, which means each one of these is worth 6, so 6, 12, 18, 24. And because I'm only finding 1/4 of 24, I don't actually need to calculate anything else, so I know that 1/4 of 24 equals 6.